Sundogs out barking over the FM area. We've got lots of snow and ice crystals being lofted into the atmosphere, and it's refracting our sunlight. Looks good. Planes are even able to fly. You can see a flight coming into Hector right now, but it still remains frigid and windy out there. Right now, that wind out of the north-northwest sustained at 18 miles per hour. The airport is indicating snow is coming down, but it's just being blown around. We don't have any new snowfall here right now in Fargo. Currently 5 degrees below zero, feels like 28 degrees below zero. Meanwhile, in Grand Forks, 6 below feels like 31 below, with wind out of the north at 22 miles per hour. Visibility still reduced, especially in the southern Red River Valley, because of blowing snow. Even though the new snowfall is exiting, our visibility here in Fargo only at a half of a mile. Satellite and radar showing that even the cloud cover is starting to lift in parts of the Southern Valley. Here's a loop of the last 6 hours. As you can see, some of that snow exit. The wind, though, we're still seeing some gusts around or over 20 miles per hour. Where you see the patches in yellow, that's where we're still seeing some gusty activity and a bit of that blowing snow. Now, our attention is turning to the temperatures. Most of us sub-zero at this time, single digits above zero in the trees of Minnesota, where it's a little bit warmer, but still only zero in Bemidji. When you factor in the gusty winds that we've got, it feels like 31 below in Hallock and in Devil's Lake, feels like 29 below in Oaks, 28 below in Jamestown and Langdon for the current wind chill. Here's what you can expect now tonight. Skies will continue to clear and the wind is going to go light. Clear skies, light wind, fresh snow on the ground for the last several days. Those are all perfect ingredients for frigid temperatures. So by tomorrow morning, we're looking at some dangerous cold in some areas, as widespread wind chills will be in the 30s to possibly near 40 degrees below zero, with air temperature in the teens to mid-20s below zero. So very, very cold for your Friday morning. Make sure to bundle up those bus riders. We will have a couple of clouds filter in through the day, and we'll see increasing clouds into the afternoon. Temperatures warming into the single digits above zero. We do have a chance for a few flakes later on in the day. Here's what your forecast looks like at 7 o'clock in the morning. Teens and 20s below for your actual air temperature. Thankfully, our winds are going to be light, so wind chills could be a lot worse if we had any wind, but we're looking still at widespread 20s and 30s below zero for that wind chill factor. Even into the afternoon, we're still going to have a bit of a wind chill factor despite the nice lack of wind. It'll feel like teens below zero, with air temperatures in the single digits of either side of zero as those clouds move in and kind of help to warm us up a little bit like a blanket. But it does come with some flakes later on in the day. Not expecting a lot of accumulation, very minimal impacts, if any. Still very cold to start our Saturday morning, but then we start to warm things up. Cool Sunday morning, warming up late, but then we do have a chance for some light snow, wintry mix overnight and into Monday morning. That could cause some slick roads for that Monday morning commute. Temperatures remain seasonable as we wrap up the work week. Chance of some snow on Wednesday, and then in your expanded 11-day forecast, looks like another chance of some light snow comes on Friday. But Bobby, we at least have 130 back on the board.
Yes, that actually brings a big smile to my face.
I knew it would.
Yep. Summer, thank you so much.